Okay, so hello traders, this is Trader Muru here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel in another episode of Daily Code Update. So yesterday we have a nice chart from this area and I told you the safest stop loss was above 4136 and we have a pretty much good almost 800 pips drop. So today structure is still bearish and we are expecting a drop again back to this low. Why structure is bearish? Because we have a 4-hour high tested. This is structural area test. We have a daily time frame sweep and we were expecting price to close below here. We have a closing, that means it is just a sweep and a liquidity hunting. And now we are expecting price to drop more. So today we are going to analyze gold and find an entry for this move. So if you guys are new to my channel and hearing my voice for the first time, just click on the subscribe button and hit that bell icon. Today we are going to analyze gold for this move. So without wasting time, let's get on the chart, guys. So our daily closing is below the previous day high, so it is making this a sweep. Today's candle should close below 4013. We are expecting a close below 4013 today. Now let's see 4-hour time frame. 4-hour is bearish now after sweeping this daily time frame high. This is our daily time frame high. We have a momentum change in 4-hour time frame. This is the highest bullish candle, which high is not broken, and we have a low break and close below. So it is bearish for us. And what could be the possible entry here? That if we get a confirmation in 1-hour time frame, this area until we close above this high, we are bearish and we should be watching for short only. So until we have a 4-hour closing above 4090, we are bearish and we are watching for a short entry. This is a evening star pattern in 4-hour time frame. Let's say 1 hour. In 1 hour we have a supply area present here. 1 hour is also bearish. Below this low we have a closing, but after that we have a high break. Then we have this high break. So if we get a closing above here and the next candle break its low, close below this level here, we will be looking for short with a stop loss above recently created high. This will be our confirmation. We are watching for short from this area. If price break above this area, it will go and sweep this equal highs. This time price will sweep above this equal high and test this area. So price need to hold this level for more downside, otherwise we will get a sweep. So this will be our confirmation. We will be looking for a bullish momentum in 1-hour time frame and then a break of momentum for an entry purpose. Our confirmation will be low break, retest, and then drop. Why this is still valid? Because we have a 4-hour momentum change here. So this is our entry candle. Now let's see silver. Silver is still bearish from this green area. I told you that price will test here and drop. We have a drop and the same area is present as gold, a supply area. Okay, so if we don't get a breakout here, price will drop and break below this low. BTC still holding our yesterday's target, is still this upper red zone. A little bit bullish, price is still holding our bullish level. Oil still ranging at our structural level. From here we are still bearish. Price should drop to this green zone and from there it can pump again. Euro still at QML level, 4-hour time frame. If we get any candle closing of 4 hour above this high, it will be invalidate. GBP watching this area. And DXY. DXY is still bullish. 4 hour have turned bearish, but daily is bullish. We have a daily time frame change of character, so this is our QML area. Price can pump again from here, from 100,500. From this area, price can pump and break above 101.7. It is still bullish. So right now we are waiting for a 1 hour confirmation for entry. I took a early entry here, but price just flipped this resistance again into support. So it was a stop loss hit for me and I'm waiting for a new entry here. It is still bearish for me. Okay, so let's see your comments. Good evening everyone. Rejection from 4090. Possible we will wait for a 1 hour confirmation here. सर कैसे कल मैंने क्वेश्चन किया था कंफर्मेशन के बारे में, आपने बोला था कि 1 आवर का लेवल है तो 1 आवर की टेस्टिंग कैंडल नीचे क्लोज हो तो सेल करना होती है। तो आज इस लेवल का लॉस चल रहा है। कहाँ से लॉस चल रहा है? हमने तो यहाँ पे स्टॉप लॉस तो लिया और ये लेवल अभी भी एक्टिव नहीं है भाई। हर एक चीज में अलग अलग कंफर्मेशन होती है। यहाँ पे 4 आवर कल वाली स्ट्रीम याद है कि नहीं है? रिजेक्शन और रिएक्शन में फर्क दिखाया था मैंने। ये रिएक्शन है, रिजेक्शन नहीं है जो यहाँ पे हमने दिखा था। रिएक्शन थी, रिजेक्शन नहीं थी, अगर याद हो तो। रिजेक्शन का वेट करो, लेवल पे आने के बाद रिजेक्शन का वेट करो। इस लेवल को टच करके नीचे क्लोज हो गई, मगर मैं तो सेल लगा दिए, अभी लॉस चल रहा है। रखो स्टॉप लॉस इसके ऊपर। अभी कंफर्मेशन के बाद एंट्री बनेगी इसमें, अभी एंट्री नहीं है। गुड इवनिंग सर, गुड इवनिंग ब्रदर, गुड इवनिंग सर, थैंक यू फॉर द प्रॉफिट। टुमारो विल योर एनालिसिस, विल यू बी डूइंग लाइव डेली? यस, वी आर डूइंग लाइव डेली। ऐसे लेवल से लॉस चल रहा है भाई, तो प्रॉफिट चलता है तो अच्छे से आपको याद रहता है, लॉस चल रहा है तो फिर सुना रहे हो। अरे यहाँ पे अभी कंफर्मेशन तो है ही नहीं, बता तो रहा हूँ अभी मैं। और अगर आपने एंट्री यहाँ से ली है, ठीक है, टेस्टिंग कैंडल क्लोज नहीं हुए, एंट्री यहाँ से ली है, तो आपका स्टॉप लॉस भी तो यहाँ होगा। स्टॉप लॉस है तो फिर क्यों इतना पैनिक हो रहे हो? आपने कोई ट्रेड ली है, अगर स्टॉप लॉस नहीं है तो पैनिक होना आपका मैं समझ सकता हूं। अगर स्टॉप लॉस आपका वैलिड है तो फिर क्यों आप पैनिक हो रहे हो? वेट करो। मैं तो अभी भी वेट कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, मुझे कंफर्मेशन मिले। मुझे छोटे टाइम फ्रेम में कोई भी रिजेक्शन अभी नहीं मिली है। 5 मिनट में भी कोई रिजेक्शन नहीं है। मोमेंटम अभी भी बुलिश है। 15 मिनट बुलिश, 5 मिनट बुलिश। तो ये लेवल है 4 आवर का, लेवल है 4 आवर का, जिसे हमने 1 आवर में कन्वर्ट किया है। इवनिंग स्टार का रीटेस्ट, और ये है अपना इनवैलिडेशन। इसके ऊपर 4 आवर क्लोज नहीं होनी चाहिए, तब तक ये शॉर्ट है। SL 96 रखा है। Okay then, why you are panicking? I will wait for a proper rejection in 1 hour time frame. No matter if I get a entry somewhere near after breakdown, maybe I will get entry near this one, far way below than the current level, but it will be a confirm entry. Otherwise we can see a sweep. And currently price is not in a trendy situation. You guys need to understand this. This is a range. Price will simply sweep your high, sweep your low, and it will be still at the same level. You can see this: high sweep, low sweep, again a low sweep, high sweep, back low sweep. This is not a trendy situation. What trend look like? Let me show you what actually trend looks like. This is how actual trend looks like. Break, retest, drop. Break, retest, drop. Break, retest, drop. Break, retest, drop. After this range, price is still in this bigger range. That's why it is keep hunting your stop losses. This was a trend, a clear trend. Otherwise you don't even need CRT or don't even need momentum. Just retest will be enough. Right now we have to watch for confirmation at retest. Why? Because price is in range. It will sweep liquidities before moving to the next level. Please explain confirmation. Don't mind. But the confirmation have many types. I cannot explain everything. Just watch for the confirmation for this level. We need 1 hour closing above this high first, then 1 hour candle should break that low, then we can enter in short. Just remember confirmation for this trade only right now. भाई ईरान पे वॉर पे न्यूज़ भी तो आ सकती है. गोल्ड शॉर्ट टाइम बुलिश हो जाएगा. वॉर की न्यूज़ आई तो ऑयल बुलिश होगा भाई, गोल्ड नहीं होगा, ऑयल बुलिश होगा. Now we have a 1 hour candle closing above. We need this bullish momentum to break in bearish side for a short entry. If we have a candle closing below this low and a retest, you can short. And the level price need to break is 4063 in 1 hour time frame. भाई वहाँ स्टार्ट हो गई है ऑलरेडी, तो होने दो ना भाई, क्यों इतना. वॉर तो चलती ही रहेगी, इस पे इतना बस ध्यान मत दो. ध्यान दो स्ट्रक्चर अगर चेंज होता है तो फिर उस पर जाओ. अभी भी बियरिश है स्ट्रक्चर. कल सब लोग बोल रहे थे इसको ब्रेक कर देगा, ऊपर जाएगा, बुलिश होगा. क्या बोला मैंने? यहाँ से आएगा शॉर्ट, नीचे आया, यहाँ से भी आएगा नीचे शॉर्ट. With the Fed dovish commentary, think gold will need a bad NFP or CPI for the bigger bearish move. Till then we may only range bound momentum. That's also possible because this is still a range. Right now we just need this low break 4063, then we can watch for a short entry. Sir, as you repeatedly told during the live session, market is range bound since week. So we should focus on swing trades just for few pips and out your views on this. Yesterday we did the same thing here. We were in long, targeted this area of 26 and we were out. Maximum target was 55. Here on this short, I tell everyone to book partial at this level 55. If you guys remember it. Swing trading entries will form in range. Swing trading entries will form in range. If you are getting a swing shot from this level and price want to break this range on downside, this will be your final swing entry. Maybe you will hit your stop losses or break even multiple times, but whenever you get a confirm entry and there will be a one time when your entry will run and you will get your profit. In between you can scalp. Views on silver. There is the same area in silver. We need break of this low in silver too. 1 hour low break. This one. 57,700. Then you can short it. Stop loss will be above this red zone. In silver, we also have a momentum break on the downside in 4-hour time frame, and this is just retracement going on until we have a 4-hour candle closing above 58,500. Silver is still bearish. And for confirmation, use a last 1-hour candle low. If it break and we have a candle closing below, you can start shorting silver. So there is an announcement, false. We can trade gold on weekend too. It is futures or not CFD. Okay, it is futures. You can trade gold on futures. Does the Forex Factory 430 news on Great Britain pound will make any changes in DXY as long as on gold too? It will give you some momentum in DXY, but a little bit in gold. today we have advanced GDP in NY session. So maybe news will affect gold, but this one USD news. PCE news will affect on our market. Yes, it will have, but we have to wait for this confirmation. This is our confirmation. We get break, candle closing below, retest, and we will watch for short. What is the difference between CFD and futures? Just Google it, brother, you will understand. Futures is one kind of, how can I explain it? Have you ever traded crypto? Previously, I was using crypto. Why crypto is all time active? Why it is all time active? You know, crypto is active nearly 24 hours. You can buy it, sell it 24 hours. And we have it futures too, in which you can bet just like the same thing we are doing on lot size as a gold we are doing right now. You can trade exactly like that on crypto too, but it was on future. I was using that on Binance. If you want a proper definition, just Google it. I will not able to explain it, so sorry for this. Sir, if the current market structure, when will we have to turn bullish bias according to you? If we have a weekly candle close above 4112, then we will turn a little bit bullish till the area of 4380. If we have a weekly candle closing above 4112, then we will have a little bit bullish momentum till this high. Before this, I'm not bullish in gold. I will watch for short only. Thank you, sir. It's okay. I will check it. Thank you, brother. Okay, wait for this confirmation. We will watch for short. If you are in early short already, then make sure to have stop loss above this red zone. Nearly 93 or 94 should be your stop loss. But I will suggest you to wait for it, this confirmation. If you get this confirmation, it will be much easy to bet on gold. ओके सो आई एम बैक। इस लेवल से 5 मिनट की कंफर्मेशन कैसे देखेंगे? 5 मिनट के लिए पहले हमें इस हाई का स्वीप चाहिए, बाद में for the 5 minute confirmation we need sweep of this high and 5 minute structure should break. Sweep means 5 minutes should close above, then 5 minutes should close 2 candle below this low. Then you can watch for 5 minute short. Target will be same this low, but first we need sweep. After Asia market opening, actually the momentum of gold almost nil. Market is very slow, very less volume. Even in Asia market, peak trading time. Yes, in range most of the time this is a common thing. This is the common thing. While market is in range, this is the most common thing you have. It will keep ranging at same levels and have a low volume. This area needs so much range to break this low. Now it is gathering strength to break this low. It is gathering liquidity here to break this low. Bigger the range, stronger the move. Bigger the range, stronger will be the move. Clear? But in this range we can clearly see this. Right now it is bearish according to daily, 4 hour, 1 hour. So we are just following our trend. And this is also a common thing that price will keep changing its direction in 1 hour and 4 hour when price is in range. Here it turned bullish, then again testing range high, it turned bearish. Same thing, here it was bearish, turned bullish after testing range low, turned bearish. H1 chart almost going towards bearish pattern already. Yes, H1 is clearly bearish. The highest thing we can expect right now is test of this upper trend line. In case we have a sweep to test of here upper trend line and start dropping again. So let's wait for our confirmation. We don't have sweep, price is already dropping. So maybe test somewhere here, again go upside, sweep this high. Five-minute almost bearish engulfing. Then we will watch it. We need just candle closing below this level in 5 minutes to make a 5-minute bearish. But price is at 4 hour level, so I will suggest you to at least watch 30-minute low break, or for higher confirmation 1 hour low break. It would be much better. At least 30 minutes we should watch for. So wait here, my expectation is price should create another bullish lag, break above this high, change structure here, then start dropping. And for this bullish move, it need to hold this mitigation block. Okay. Yesterday I told you once we have two candle closing below this low, it will be a short sign in 5-minute time frame. So if you guys remember this pattern that we were talking about, how price will create another leg bullish move here, then change its direction in 5-minute time frame. We have a two candle closing below this previous low. Then what happened? Price just pump, test extreme order block and start dropping. Target is here. Now it is still bearish. It is still bearish. But 5-minute is currently bullish. So we have to wait for 5-minute structure change. Maybe we will get this kind of opportunity again. So better wait for it. My 5-minute chart indicator gave me 4070 and 4063 as a target. Watch at our this green zone prices 4072 to 4065. We are expecting same, but we need a bearish break or structure for the bearish confirmation here. Please open a clear chart Zoom. This is the clear chart, brother. So we have nothing to see here, guys. Still in range, not breaking below, not breaking above. We need 1 hour confirmation, break below this low for proper short entry. 15-minute, 30-minute, all are still bullish. Wait for confirmation. Okay guys, so we have news in just 2 minutes. So view is still same. We will be looking for a pump and the 5-minute change of character for a short entry. Our view is still same. Wait for our confirmation. Initial bearish move, we need 15-minute candle closing below it, then we can start shorting, otherwise it is still bullish. Slightly bullish for gold. Guru, what's your opinion? News is here, and if we watch news, then it is, you can see here, greater than the forecast is good for currency, so we are getting less than, so it is little bit bullish for gold. We will watch it. Still we don't have any candle closing, so we will wait for candle closing first. Main confirmation will be still break of this low. We have a sweep of this high now in 1 hour time frame, as we were expecting that if we need a sweep and a 30-minute or 15-minute candle range break. So we have a sweep. If this candle closes below the previous one, it would be a change of character in 30-minute. Momentum break, we can short it. No bullish. See, advantage GDP price index, I mean inflation still high, market pay attention to the, otherwise it would pump very hard by now. Yes, it plays an important role. Still we don't have our confirmation, so we are not in any short. BTC performing well as we were expecting from our yesterday's area. It is already bullish and targeting this high. From this zone we will have a sweep, then we can watch for short in BTC. Oil is still ranging at the same level. If we get a breakdown of this demand here, we can short it. Otherwise, be careful in oil. It is still bullish, just ranging here. It might go to this levels, upper level near 91. Euro still bearish. We need a 1 hour change of character now at this level. If we have 4 hour candle break and close above this high of 1.148, then it will be bullish. Otherwise it is still bearish. We just need 1 hour change of character now. GBP, watch for this one. DXY going for our QML area. If this area holds, DXY will pump again. In 30-minute time frame, what we have, no candle closing below, still bullish. 15-minute also no candle closing below, still bullish in the single candle. It is continuously ranging for last 2 hours. That's why we need a momentum break. Momentum is still holding that bullish candle. That means it don't want to drop from here. It just want to create a little bit high and then again drop. No bullish. Okay. Let's wait for 5-minute or 15-minute change of character at our structural level here. If we get it, then okay, price will be getting downside again. If we don't get any change of character here, price might sweep to yesterday's high and make test this upper trend line, which is running in daily time frame. So price will continue ranging in this symmetrical triangle. On the break, it can move, but till then we have to wait for. It is also a highest possibility that till NFP price just keep ranging here. Price just keep ranging here till NFP just like this, and on NFP we get a breakdown. This is also a possibility. This area will be a good short area from top trend line and a pending order block just above this equal highs in 1 hour time frame. Still no break. Consolidation in single candle. Price still ranging, perhaps drop from 4110 to 4115. Area liquidity search. Yes, price is still ranging. मैंने अपने 3 दोस्तों को आपका चैनल रेकमेंड किया, आज वो भी वॉच कर रहे हैं, आपकी तारीफ कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू ब्रदर, थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग माय चैनल. फाइव मिनट चेंज ऑफ कैरेक्टर इज डन ना सर? नो ब्रदर, इट्स नॉट डन. चेंज ऑफ कैरेक्टर कब होता है? जब लो ब्रेक होती है. ये है 5 मिनट का चेंज ऑफ कैरेक्टर. इसके नीचे अगर आप यहाँ पे 5S देख रहे हो तो फिर ऑलरेडी हो चुका है. ए 1 2 3 4 एंड 5 तो ऑलरेडी हो चुका है. पर अगर आप प्रॉपर चेंज ऑफ कैरेक्टर का वेट कर रहे हो तो वो अभी तक नहीं हुआ, और उसके लिए हमें क्लोजिंग भी चाहिए नीचे, जो हमने बात की ना. अब हम इस क्लोजिंग के बाद शॉर्ट देखेंगे. इसके ऊपर हमारा एसएल रहेगा इजी. 1 आवर ये ब्रेक होता है. जो लोग यहाँ से ऑलरेडी शॉर्ट में थे इस स्टॉप लॉस के साथ, वो अब भी सेफ है. द पीपल who were in short from this level with a stop loss or above this high are still safe. चलो तो एक कैंडल नीचे क्लोज हो रही है, देखते हैं यहाँ से शॉर्ट मिलेगा एक छोटा सा। स्टॉप लॉस अभी भी रिस्की है बट 1 आवर sweep and 30-minute change, 15-minute change. Stop loss will be above this high 86 and your entry point should be at 75. After this closing, price is bearish till which target? Till the target of first 4063. Okay, till first target will be 4063. If you get retest, price can drop. Invalidation will be a clear one closing above this high. Wait for testing candle to close first. If this testing candle closing above this high, we will not short. It will create one more high, then drop. Wait for testing candle. Now price is looking quite bearish. And biggest drop will start when we have a 1 hour candle closing below this low 4062, because it will be the confirmed momentum shift in 1 hour time frame after sweeping a 4 hour high. Okay, so it will be a clear downtrend and our first target will be this low then 4028. If we get a short entry from here, the first target will be 4028, second will be 4000 and third will be 3960. So wait for confirmation here. 1 hour will soon close. If you want early entry, you have 15-minute, this one, this range retest entry. If you got it, it will be much more accurate, at least to this level. सर कंफर्मेशन एंट्री मिल जाए तो मैं बड़ा लॉट ओपन करके अकाउंट पास कर लूँ आज। इसी चक्कर में प्रॉफिटेबल नहीं बन रहे हो आप। कंफर्मेशन मिल जाए तो बड़ा लॉट ले लो, पहले अपना एक लॉट फिक्स करो भाई। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अपना लॉट फिक्स करो कि आपको कितने लॉट से ट्रेडिंग करना है, आपका अकाउंट कितना बड़ा है और आपका 1% कितना होगा। आपको 1% लूज करना है हर एक ट्रेड पे, और आपको ड्रॉ डाउन होगा ना 10%, तो 10% का भी आपको 1% गिनना है। अब सोच लो कितना आपका लॉट साइज होना चाहिए। अगर ज़्यादा बड़ी कंफर्मेशन चाहिए तो फिर 1 आवर का वेट कर लो, और उसमें भी बिना स्टॉप लॉस के तो चलना नहीं है। सिंपल चीज़। We are nothing to market. We are here to react on market movement, not to predict that market should go on like this way. We can just play the direction which is market showing. If it changes, we will be exit. Simple. $4075 is our testing level. Testing is done. Now wait for this candle to close. It should not close above 4079. Then we can watch for short entry here. Okay, be ready. Five minutes to close this candle. 5 minutes, it is still bearish. 1 minute, bearish. You can enter in short. The stop loss should be above 81, at least above this high. But if you want to wait, just wait for this 5 minute. Otherwise it is already bearish in 5 minute and 1 minute. Already 50 pips down. Told you that it is already bearish in 5 minute and 1 minute. But let's see where this 15 minute closes. Okay, so this is 30-minute closing. Okay. 15 minutes should not close above this high, otherwise it will test this wick again. I am in 4072. Have stop loss. It is still showing bullish strength here. Have stop loss. 15 minute will close in 2 minutes. If not go above 15 minutes, then target can be first 63, second 28, and third 4000. It is going up again. See, 15 minute. Still 1 minute to close this candle. Wait for it. Price should not close above this high, otherwise price will sweep this one too. In 5 minutes, at least it needs this sweep. 76, 15, 1. If this fail, we will wait for 1 hour change of character here. Okay, so we will just wait for confirmation here. If we get confirmation and it fails, we will wait for 1 hour. Otherwise 15 minutes should continue, start dropping. Our stop loss will be above 82. That is good. Target can be 4,000, but I would better wait. It is closing above our level. 5 minute, need this sweep and close below. Wait. Okay, sweep done. If you are entering here, make sure to have stop loss above this high 79 to 82, and you can target 63 as your target. Price is running in downtrend. This is lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, again the lower low. This is the lower high and this is new lower low. So even if this high gets sweep, this is our lower high right now. This will be a little bit risky, so if you want to enter, make sure to have stop loss. This is the safest stop loss, 86. Price should drop now. Okay, use small lot if you are entering, because I am still expecting it to sweep a little bit. There is no momentum in 5 minutes to the bearish side. Still holding this level. See, give it a break, brother. क्लोज अबो सर, क्लोज करे या होल्ड करे, 83 SL है. स्मॉल लॉट है तो कर सकते हो होल्ड, बड़ा लॉट मत लेना अभी, क्योंकि 1 आवर अभी चेंज नहीं हुआ और ये नीचे से अभी भी स्ट्रेंथ दिखा रहा है थोड़ी सी, पर जब तक ये हाई ब्रेक नहीं होती ये बेयरिश है. यहाँ से अभी तक के लिए तो बेयरिश है. छोटे टाइम फ्रेम में कोई चेंज नहीं मिल रहा, ये एक प्रॉब्लम है. ये लो ब्रेक हो जाए ना, क्योंकि यही लास्ट ब्रेक का स्ट्रक्चर है 1 मिनट का, बाद में गिरना शुरू होगा अच्छा खासा. मेरी एंट्री तो 75 की है, अब देखते हैं. नहीं लग रहा अभी तक. आजा भाई, इसके नीचे क्लोजिंग कर दे. Painful momentum. Yes, it is painful. Let's see. It is still bearish, but hope it don't want to sweep out 95. Best entry will be after 1 hour candle closing below this one. Then there will be no reason to go upside again. So this will be the best entry. These are early entries, so it will be painful, as I told you. It will be a low probability trades just for scalp. If you want confirm entry, wait for 1 hour break. After 1 hour break, there will be a great momentum. Price is trying to drop. Our target is still 63 first. If we get it, then we can put our stop loss as break even, and then we can hold it for more drop. Just 63. One minute momentum break. Yes, good. We close below here, so it can test here. Even in 1 minute, it is going for test. What it is? Slow momentum, very slow. This is high risk now. I will personally wait for this one for a big entry. Going for sweep. See, until we have close back below, it will be still a risky range here. Maybe 95 test first. We have a sweep. Brother, question structure analysis is very good, but what do you use for time correction? What do you mean by time correction? No, price not looking good. It needs sweep. It needs sweep. No break of low. Back up. Now wait for 1 hour only, because until 1 hour changes, I don't think there will be a nice momentum here. SL hit, yes, my stop loss was 79, it is already hit, so I'm out. Now I'm waiting for 1 hour. As I told you, if this hit, I will wait for 1 hour. Wait for it. In 1 hour, we are having a breakout structure soon. This is your, forget about 15 minutes. This is your 1 hour range. We need 1 hour break. It will range here and break it downside, then we can enter in short. Otherwise, it will keep hunting stop loss on both of the sides. Bouncing from here. $62 watching, 25 likes. Click on the like button, please. Appreciate Trader Muru. Thank you, brother. And kindly click on the like button, because it will encourage me to keep going on. After this momentum, I guess we will get this one. Till NFP continuation in range, and on NFP breakdown. For example, BTC consolidate 2 weeks, how we can analyze this time correction? Avoid consolidation. Just a simple logic, avoid consolidation. Whenever we have a bigger time frame breakout structure, price will consolidate for longer period before giving you a trend side move again. This was a bigger time frame breakout structure. Price will consolidate for a longer period before giving you a trend side momentum again. So whenever you have a bigger time frame breakout structure, price will be always ranging. Just remember this. Why we are ranging here? Because we have a daily time frame and weekly time frame breakout structure. This one. This is all a retracement. And trend is still downside. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Again lower low. This is our lower high. It should create new lower low. Simple. See how it is doing this thing. 1 hour ranging and back in 15-minute range. Where is 1 hour? This is 1 hour range. Let it close here. Now this time it would be much faster if we get break. 15 minutes should close here and 5 minutes should break this low, then you can short again. Stop loss will be this high again. In 2 minutes both of the candle will close. We need break below, otherwise no short. Safe trader can wait for 1 hour break. You will get a little bit lower entry, but you will get retest somewhere near this area again before drop. And it will not drop directly. We have demand here, so it will test somewhere this area, again pump, then again drop. It will not directly drop here. Silver, Also, there is no confirmation. Silver is doing some interesting thing here. Look at this. We have a break of structure. So we just need 15-minute change of character for short entry. One candle close below, second close above. We need two candle closing below. Then QML test and you can watch for short. Again one close below. Bearish. 15-minute close above, so short is invalid now. Close above. Wait for 1 hour change. 15-minute have changed its direction one more time, so it is invalid. We cannot use 15-minute now. Price need a sweep of 95. सर फंडेड अकाउंट को पास करने के लिए गाइड करें प्लीज. फंडेड में भाई अपना रिस्क बस मैनेज करो, उसमें और कुछ नहीं है. एक टाइम पे एक ही ट्रेड लो, डेली की ट्रेड फिक्स करो, कितनी ट्रेड आपको लेनी है उतनी ले लो. आपका लॉस हिट होता है या फिर आपका टीपी हिट होता है, बस एग्जिट ले लो और 1 जम 2 पे चलो. यू शुड वर्क ऑन 1 जम 2. $15-minute close above, should we go long for B and R? No brother, there is no long for me right now. Even if 15-minute or 1 hour closes above, I will still watch for short from this upper trend line, because I will be expecting a range continuation till NFP. Your confirmation will be sweep of this high, test of this trend line, close below again. You can short for target of this low, 4015 again, then again pump, continuation. But most probably we will likely to see a drop from this area. Four hour is bearish. 4 hour is still bearish, so we cannot long here. One hour is still bullish. $30-minute is in retracement, but bullish. 15-minute back bullish. 5-minute bullish. It can break, retest and pump again. 4-hour candle about to close. Let's see where we get closing. We have 25 minutes. I need closing of this candle below this high and 1 hour change of momentum. Then I will watch for short. My first target will be this low, second will be this one, and third will be on the breakout last low. Because still this is still a resistance area. It is the same resistance area we were watching in FOMC, this one. We have multiple drop from here. See, first liquidity drop, then retest and again drop, liquidity drop, this is retest, it should again drop. This price action is just pathetic. Told you it is bullish after taking our high. It should go for 95. Let's wait for 5-minute change of character here. If we get 4-hour closing above this green zone, there is no short before this trend line then. Okay. This will be the best thing if we get a sweep and close below, then 1 hour change of momentum. It would be the best entry for short if we get this one. 1 hour momentum break below this low and sweep and close below in 4-hour time frame. Manipulation, you know the rest. This is just to sweep out the early short traders who are holding short from here in 4-hour time frame. This is still a bearish area. Price should not close above the zone, then we are still watching for shorts only. Okay, 1 hour, 30-minute, 15-minute. 4 hour should close in sweep. If it is closing above, then we will watch for this trend line test 4150, and price will be ranging till NFP. Then we have to prepare for a big range till NFP, till next Friday. Whoa, Muru bro, GBP, JPY crash. Just see what happened. Okay, so this is USD JPY. If you guys remember, we have plotted this area from fib. This was our target for long, and from here, once this trend line break, we were bearish. Price is testing this zone again. It is still bullish from here. Watch your opportunity in 4-hour time frame. Let it sweep and close above again. Let's see GBP, JPY. What position we have in it? Simple. It is dropping from our resistance area. This one. Already we have plotted this. Test here and drop. How clear is this direction? See? USD JPY, this was nice area. Wait for closing, we might get this entry near trend line. In 1-hour time frame, we have a pending order block here which can be tested. Wait for this candle closing. Mm. Muro working you not with RSI or MACD. If 4 hour and 1 hour close above 4090, then it turn bullish. Yes, till this trend line. From this trend line we can short again. If it closes above 4090 in 4 hour time frame, it will range till NFP in this symmetrical triangle, and there will be no more 1 week. There will be just a range. We are waiting for 4-hour close. If we are getting 4-hour close above this high of 4090, price will probably sweep this equal high, test this upper trend line and then start dropping. If this happens, then assume that price will be in this range for a longer period, maybe till NFP. Next Friday is coming here. Let's see if we get this area from 4130 to 4165. भाई मैं अभी आया हूँ आपके लाइव में, कहाँ से करे और सेल कहाँ से करे? बाय अगर आपको करना है तो फिर वेट कर लो 4-hour क्लोजिंग का, सेल करना है तो इस ट्रेंड लाइन का वेट कर लो, ट्रेंड लाइन से एक शॉट मिलेगा। क्योंकि अब इसमें कोई ट्रेंडी मूव नहीं बचा। जो ट्रेंड ये बना रहा है ना, बार बार वही तोड़ रहा है। देखो यहाँ से बुलिश किया, बुलिश ट्रेंड में आया, ब्रेक कर दिया, वापस बियरिश किया, यहाँ से बियरिश ट्रेंड वापस ब्रेक कर रहा है, तो यहाँ से वापस लोग बुलिश होंगे, वापस ये ब्रेक करेगा, कंटिन्यूएशन इन रेंज। And if we get breakout, buy it for the target of 4380. Till this zone. And from here, next swing shot will form. First, watch for short here again on the trend line. Wait for sweep and close below. 4-hour have closed above, so shorts are invalid now here. Range continue. Sweep is done, but area is not tested. Let's see how we get this candle. It should test at least this area again. we have a sweep, we need a change in momentum or a smaller time frame structure change for short entry. And remember guys, until we have a 2 4-hour candle close above this high, gold is still bearish. This is 4-hour breakout structure. Until 2 candle of 4-hour closes above this high, gold is still bearish. Yesterday it pumped from 4,000 to 4,116. Today, if it want to pump the same amount, it will test 4,148. तो इंतज़ार करें मेरे भाई सेल की ट्रेड का. हाँ वेट करो, सेल की ट्रेड मिल सकती है इस रेड जोन से. ऊपर की ये ट्रेंड लाइन काफ़ी अच्छी है, यहाँ से अगर मिले तो बहुत अच्छा है. ये 4 आवर का स्ट्रक्चर है तो 4 आवर की कैंडल कंफर्मेशन देगी, तो इसीलिए यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा इंतज़ार करना पड़ेगा. 4 आवर का स्ट्रक्चर है ना ये. अभी तो ये कैंडल स्वीप कंफर्मेशन में नीचे क्लोज होनी चाहिए, तब ये स्वीप कंफर्म होगा. No trade right now. Still a big range. And I'm still watching for short only from this area. This candle should close in bullish doji. Here somewhere like a small bullish body with a big upper wick and closing above this high. Any scalp entry for buying? Price is rejecting from 4,119. So if 4,100 to 4,095 can be a buy zone. This area can give you a scalp bounce, but highly risky. As we have taken 4-hour liquidity, I'm still watching for short only. See, liquidity taken, now it is dropping. If this area hold, we will see another pump near 4,148. Then downtrend may start. Can we sell below 4084 zone? No, brother. How can you sell until this 1 hour changes? This full zone is for buy. Previously, this we were watching this zone for sell. Now it is flipped. So it can retest here and pump again. If it creates some structure here, then you can watch for sell. A 5 waves or 30-minute or 15-minute new high, then break that low. 4-hour time frame, sweep confirmation, closing in small bullish candle, then second candle closing below its low. Then you can short. Otherwise, right now there is no short. This is just a sweep, and sweep will confirm in 4-hour time frame. We still have 3-hour and 15-minute pending for the close of this candle. Just understand this. Euro break above. Now you have to wait for this level in euro. Oil still at the same level, no change. Bouncing from this green zone. Now DXY is bearish. Till which area? Till this zone. If we get candle closing below, it will retest here and drop to this level, 98. Same structure is forming. If it closing here in euro, then it will go pump for this level, and DXY will drop for this one. Same structure, but on inverse side. JPY is bearish. This low is broken now. So USD JPY can test this monthly order block, and then we may see some bullish momentum. Otherwise, breaking this low will drop it till this green zone again. Here we have last support. You should not break this low or this bottom trend line. BTC is retesting support. It can go and sweep this red zone as per our expectation. We are still waiting for this red zone. An important thing is silver have not broke its level. Gold is above its structural level, but silver is still below at resistance. See? Even 4-hour momentum is still bearish in silver. This high is not broken. Interesting. Silver is still bearish. 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour break below this low, you can short silver. Silver is completely creating a short entry right now. It is much better than gold. फोर वन वन जीरो पे शॉर्ट किया है गोल्ड. टीपी क्या रखे? टीपी यही रख लो पहला 4090. लास्ट 4 आवर का हाई. It will be too much waiting here now. Too much waiting. We have support here, we have resistance here. Price will range here. Then Asia, we may see spike and then drop. But right now price can range here for a long time. Supply present here. A big demand here. Hi brother, why is price pumping? I am in sell from 4080. Why you are still holding yourself from 4080? We were exit from the sell when it hit our stop loss near 4079 and you are holding short from above it. Understand the importance of stop loss. Why stop loss is important? Once your short idea is invalid, that means you should be sidelined or take your loss, exit from the market. I had limit set. Then where is your stop loss? If you had limit, then where is your stop loss? At least you should have stop loss above 4095. Price is already above it. Shorted at the yesterday's high 4116 with a target of 4069. Fib level 61% in 5-minute chart. Is it okay? Yes, it is okay. Price can test this area 76 to 64. It is structural area, making higher highs and higher lows, internal structure. If this area holds, it will again pump. Silver is much clear. Look how much drop silver have done yesterday. Almost hit its final target. See? And look at the drop of gold. This one. It is not even close to its final target. So gold price action is right now a quite bit rangy, and silver is moving, but it is better than gold right now in compare of price action. Seems gold pump was only because of DXY dump. Maybe we have some news. Yen inversion. So JPY is getting stronger. Price will hold this area, then we will have another pump. Price will test upper trend line. From there, we may get a short entry. गोल्ड अब शॉर्ट एंट्री दे, अब तो देख देख कर थक गए हैं भाई। ट्रेडमार्क अपने हाथ में थोड़ी है भाई, ये आने दे इसको अपने लेवल पे। आज की क्लोजिंग अगर इसके ऊपर हो गई ना, फिर तो लंबी रेंज गिन ही लो। ट्राई करेगा ये क्लोजिंग नीचे करने की 4090 तक, देखते हैं। What would be the best buying zone between 4093 to 33? Very big range. Best zone is still this area, 78 to 66. $300 in the pocket, done for the day. Thank you, brother. You are genius. Oh, you have booked your shot near this area. Nice. By looking at silver, it seems like gold pump was just a liquidity hunting because silver is still bearish. You can clearly see this. 4-hour high is not broken. This supply level in 1-hour time frame is not broken. Silver is clearly bearish right now, but gold have broken all the levels. It seems like a liquidity hunting. If it break 4065 in 1-hour time frame, will it go down till 4033? Is buying only for target of 4125 to 4140. Yes, it can drop again. Remember guys, if we have a back closing here in 1-hour time frame below this demand, again price will simply retest it and drop again. It will act as a breaker. We have this kind of pump, same here, but once price break below it, it just retest it and start dropping again. If I can give you more examples, see how liquidity works. It will make people think it is bullish, then it continue again. Right now this is the same thing happening, but we have to wait for 4-hour closing. This is just a big range. Let it bounce and test this trend line. We will try a one shot here on the rejection and closing. Price can pump from here, test this trend line and drop again. But for that it need a breakout of this equal highs, and we are still below it. If this 4-hour closing is just a sweep, then we will be watching for short from here. Otherwise upper trend line is still here. Why won't it directly drop? Feels like it took out Asia high. It could plumb. Range is contracting, soon a big momentum move is coming. Yes, it is preparing for NFP. We will get a breakout in NFP. Bro, check GPY pairs like USD JPY, good opportunity for buy soon. Brother, JPY is already dropping very hard, and I told you until it break below this trend line it is still bullish. This is the trend line. It is still bullish from here. This is daily time frame trend line. If you don't get closing below it in daily time frame, you can watch for buy on 1-hour confirmation. In 1-hour it should create a higher high, higher low and break that high, then you can watch buy on that high retest. Euro is also in daily sell zone. If it closes today, it can drop. Euro, if Euro is closing daily candle above this high, forget about sell, it will retest here and start pumping somewhere near this area, this red zone. It need to close a daily candle back this red zone below, then we can watch for short. Otherwise it will be just a retest and pump again. Same, we are watching GBP as structural level. Watch your confirmation for short, it can drop from here. This is daily time frame level. Okay guys, so I think we will have a long wait here before a short confirmation. Price is still in this big range, so if we get trend line test, we will watch for short. If we get breakout, then we will watch for buy opportunity. On the retest, first target will be this high, second will be this daily time frame rejection area. From there we will watch for swing short again. If we don't get breakout, I will be watching for continuation till NFP, and on NFP if we get breakdown, we will watch for short. So this is a probable plan for gold. It will not give you a actual trendy move. You have to watch for scalps only in smaller time frame, because this is currently a range. You cannot predict in which side range will break. It is continuously changing its direction from trend lines. What direction will NFP go? We cannot predict, brother. If we get a breakout, NFP can be bullish. If we get a breakdown, NFP can be bearish. So we have to watch for it. We will predict it if we have price on the bearish side, then we will predict it on downside. If we have a price on bullish side, we will watch for buy. But right now there is no trendy move, just a range, continuation in range. Bouncing from our level. Wait for this trend line, you will get a short entry near 45 to 68. This order block, 1 hour order block is still pending for the test. You will have some scalp pips here till the target of 4116. You can at least get the target of this high again. If you get this area, this will be your target. High will be your stop loss. Wait for rejection first, and this high again get a breakdown, then on the retest you can short it for this low again. So this will be the possible path. If this hold, we will get another test and then drop. So that's it guys, it is already too late. Now we are closing this session over here. Thank you for joining. We will watch for this entry. If I get a confirmation, I will post it on my free channel. After 4 hour closing, I will be watching for 1 hour momentum change. Then I will be telling you that we should short here or we should wait for a trend line test. Okay, so that's it guys, see you in the next session. Thank you for joining. See you in the next session guys.